Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying access and the physical connection. You need the display active and the correct input selected. Once open, go directly to Settings System Display or right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. This brings up resolution and orientation controls. Make sure multiple monitors are identified so you select the correct screen. You do this now because changing orientation on the wrong monitor wastes time and risks, confusing window positions later. You select the monitor you want to flip, then find Display Orientation and pick 180 degrees for an upside-down screen. Hit Apply, then confirm within the prompt period. If you prefer a faster method, try keyboard shortcuts. Many Intel/AMD/NVIDIA drivers accept Control plus Alt plus down arrow to rotate. Once done, adjust resolution or scaling if text looks cropped, and move or lock taskbars so UI elements stay accessible. This avoids unexpected layout shifts after rotation. You finish by checking comfort and long-term use. Rotate the physical stand if supported, or remount the monitor for ergonomic viewing. Make sure Windows scaling and font sizes suit the new orientation. If the screen becomes unusable, revert immediately using the same orientation drop-down or Control plus Alt plus up arrow. This restores normal view. If options are missing, update or reinstall the GPU driver and open the graphics control panel, because driver-level settings often control rotation when the OS option is disabled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.